welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Andrea Bouget from Aromahead Institute, and if you love foot massage, I'm assuming that you do since you're watching this video, you're gonna love this gel. I think foot massage is one of the amazing things in life, don't you? So this gel is just wonderful. I have an ounce bottle here, a 30 ml glass bottle filled with aloe vera gel. And I'm going to add patchouli and peppermint to it. That's a great combination, assuming you love patchouli. If you don't, you could substitute it with another base oil. But for me, I love the smell of patchouli. It's grounding, it's just very soothing and rich and calming. So I'm gonna add 5 drops of patchouli to the aloe vera gel. Top of the patchouli is a little bit almost sticky because that's just what happens with the oil over time. It's pretty thick and it can get a little resinous around the top of the bottle. There's nothing wrong, that's to be expected. So I'm gonna put 5 drops in. Oh my gosh, the aroma's already coming through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a really easy one to pour because it's pretty thick, so it doesn't come pouring out like a lot of the other oils do. And that's going to be really nice and settling as you get your luscious foot massage. And then I'm going to put in peppermint, and that's a classic for foot massage because it is bright and cleansing and uplifting and cooling, so refreshing. And it goes great with the patchouli. I love this combination. So 5 drops of the peppermint, and this is going to come out faster, so I'm going to go just a little more carefully. 5, okay. And this combination is so soothing on your feet. If your feet are tired or achy, this is going to be great. It's going to help reduce any kind of swelling. It's going to help reduce heat. It's just going to be really comforting. Of course, not to mention the massage part of it feels really good too. And you can even do this to yourself if there's not someone else there giving you the massage. You can just put it on in your hands, rub it on your feet, and get your thumbs into a couple of those really good spots on your feet wherever it's sore, and this will be very soothing. So I hope you have a great foot massage. See you soon. Bye for now.